Are Paula Deen's Riverbend Nonstick pots and pans really worth adding to your kitchen? Today, I'm putting them to the test so you don't have to. Your support helps me keep sharing real kitchen experiences. Hi, I'm Melissa H. Fenton, and welcome back to Homepantrypro. You can also find the full written review on kitchenbap.com. This Riverbend set comes with a variety of pots and pans designed for everyday cooking. The nonstick surface is smooth and easy to clean, which makes weeknight dinners less stressful. I really like the colorful design. It adds personality to the kitchen while still being functional. In my testing, the coating resisted scratches and the heat distribution was even across the base. One thing to note, these aren't the heaviest pans out there, so if you prefer lightweight cookware, this set is a plus. The handles stay cool enough to grip, and the lids fit snugly, keeping moisture locked in. Cleanup is quick, just a rinse and wipe, no scrubbing needed. For everyday family meals, this set really makes cooking less of a hassle. So overall, Paula Deen's Riverbend Nonstick Cookware set is stylish, practical, and beginner-friendly. It's not perfect, but for the price point, it delivers solid performance. If you found this review helpful, hit that subscribe button on Homepantrypro and turn on notifications. And don't forget to check out the full review at kitchenbap.com for more details. I'll keep testing more cookware, so stay tuned for honest reviews. Your support helps me keep sharing real kitchen experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'm Melissa H. Fenton, and I'll see you in the next review. Thanks for watching today. For more great recipes and tips, don't forget to subscribe to Homepantrypro.